If you have a website, you better need to have a Google Webmaster. Now, the traditional way of verifying your Google Webmaster is using the preferred URL. So when you say preferred URL, you need to verify two links into your website, the HTTP and the HTTPS. Now, Google Webmaster just recently released a new property for you to verify your webmaster account, and this is the domain property type. Now, domain property type, you don't need to do the same process. It will specifically verify or cover your entire domain, whether it is an HTTP or an HTTPS website. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can verify it using the TXT record. This is a bit scary if you are new to, you are scared of doing some configuration into your website, but you know what, it really doesn't involve any technical skills. You just need to follow along my tutorial. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, so yeah, as I said, there are two ways for you to verify your Google Webmaster account. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use the TXT method. And I really like this because you don't need to verify two webmaster at once, because the traditional way is you need to verify the HTTP and the HTTPS. So let's dive into our Google webmaster account. So simply go to the developers.google.com. Okay. And you need to make sure as well that you log in your Gmail account. Now I'm going to use this one because it's this is a client's account. So I'm going to click this get started in here. And then you click this go to search console. Okay. And then after that, okay, let's just dive into the client webmaster account. So right now there's still no account that is being created. Okay, actually there's already an account that is created. Let me just remove that so you can really see how it looks. I'm gonna go into the search console. Okay. By the way, I am using a Crease software to remove the background music. So if you are doing YouTube, this is how the Crease looks here. This one, it will basically remove your noise background. So let me know if this works well. If you are hearing this this video, let me know if the software is something that you would consider. Yeah, for now I really like this, so I want to know your thoughts as well. Anyway, get back to the topic. So when you go into the search.google.com, and this, just remember this link. So when you don't have any Google Webmaster yet or properties added into your Google Webmaster, this is the welcome message that you will see, okay? And there is the two options for you to create a property on Google Webmaster. First is the domain, and then the second one is the URL prefix. Now, this URL prefix allows you to I don't really recommend this one because this is the old way of verifying Google Webmaster. It's basically you need to verify two properties, the HTTP website and the non-HTTP website. And I don't kind of like this one because, as I said, this is the traditional way. Now, this on this side, this is the new feature or property type of Google Webmaster, which you should be using. So all of the reports from Google Webmaster will be just put in one property. Okay, whether it is a non-HTTPS or an HTTPS website. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the website here. Okay, So I'm going to put that website and put it in here. By the way, do not put any www or https into the domain. So just put the exact domain here and then click the continue. Okay. What I really like about this property type is all of the, let's say you have some problems with your sitemap. You don't need to go into two property types, the HTTP and then HTTPS. It will just go in one property. So this, I would really recommend to use this one versus the other way. Okay, now there is an options for you to verify this. Okay, there is some called here GoDaddy. If you are using GoDaddy, you can just click this start verification. Okay, we will be doing that later, but there's actually an options in here in case you're not using GoDaddy. You can just copy this link here. Okay, I don't want to be biased because there are some people that are visiting, that checking this video that don't use GoDaddy, so we will not use GoDaddy. But in case if you are using GoDaddy, you can just select this one, GoDaddy, and then click the start verification, and the process will just, I mean, you just need to follow the wizard instruction until you complete the process. So no more configuration thing. So what if you're not using GoDaddy? So simply go to the any DNS server, you copy this text here, and then you go into your hosting provider. So the hosting provider is Hostinger. Okay. And hold on for that. Okay. So the hosting provider is Hostinger. I'm going to go into the site, and then I'm going to the DNS zone here. So DNS zone editor. Now all of the host provider or your hosting provider should have a DNS zone editor. So just look for that options for you to add a TXT record. Okay. Now I'm going to put it here. I'm going to type in TXT. And then what will be the at, just put the at there, and then I will put the value, which is like this one, and then I click the add records. Okay. And yeah, I think we're good in that. I'm going to try to verify this, checking the verification. We couldn't find any recursion. Okay, this moment is, it's basically there is a default TXT records that was already added in here. So we need to remove that. Okay, and I'm going to copy this one, Control F. And as you can see here, I mean, we already add this verification. We're good on that. But there is a duplicate TXT file that we need to fix, okay? Because it's basically a duplicate here. So we need to fix this default value that the hosting provider set. So I'm going to remove that, delete. Okay. And now let's go back to our Google Webmaster. Okay. And then click the verification. And our account is already verified. So that's how easy it is. You don't really need to hire a web developer to do it. You just need to look for this area called DNS Zone Editor. And I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions or concern. Happy to help. Have a great day.